Hi, welcome to Okecbot. Today I'll walk you through on the amazing features we added on the Okecbot version 5.0. So let's get started with it. So firstly, to download Okecbot version 5.0, head over to Google and visit okecbot.com. On the website okecbot.com, click on Download. On the download page, click on Download for Windows. Now, this will take a couple of minutes to download. I already have this downloaded before now, so I will just stop this. But if you're downloading this for the first time, once you're done with download, click on the folder over here and install the Okecbot. The installation process is quite very simple. You're being presented with only one challenge, and all you're supposed to do is to say more info and run anyway. From here henceforth, it becomes as easy as possible. Few clicks and the Okecbot will be fully installed. Please go through the terms and conditions. Click on I accept and agree. Click on next. Click on the folder you would want it to install. It's better you leave it at the default folder. You could actually install some other location if you choose to. Head over to next. Create a desktop icon. Head over to next. Head over to install. And within a few minutes, the Okecbot version 5.0 will be installed on your computer. The next set of videos will teach you how to start using the Okecbot version 5.0 and how to use the new GPT features being deployed on the 5.0.